So as you can see, this smart plug, it's not switching on continually, it is just blinking. That is, the relay is switching on and switching off. So let's try to repair this one. For disassembling this smart plug, all we need is a flathead screwdriver or a minus head screwdriver, and the thing we need to do is just insert it in this way. Actually, I had disassembled it earlier. How I disassembled it, as you can see the marks here, I just went on inserting the screwdriver in this way and pulling it up. Just insert it and pull it up. All the surrounding. Be careful. Be careful with your hands. The screwdriver may slip and pierce into the hand and it may cause injury. So be careful while doing this. And here the switch, just pull it in this way. And here you can see where all the grooves are, so that it will be easy for you to disassemble. Now hope I have not damaged anything inside. Now what we need to do is just remove this screw. There is one screw and we need to desolder these 2 points. That one screw and here one. 2 screws. The component that is causing the disconnection or dysfunction of this smart plug is this capacitors, I suppose. You can see it is bulged a little. So I will change this capacitor and check first. If it doesn't work, then I'll go on diagnosing the other parts. Need to it's not so easy to remove these solder locks. Actually, we need a 60 watt or higher wattage solder gun. So now, after desoldering these 2 points, remove these ground connection. Now, holding these 2 plugs, gently pull it. Okay, now we can see desoldered. These are the input points, these are the output. So now this is the capacitor we need to replace. Here are the points for the capacitor. This side it is negative and this is, here you can see this is negative and positive. So now I'll apply some solder first. The negative holes is usually a bit hard to clear. No, it's okay. As you can see, it has already deformed. So we need a 470 microfarad 16 volts capacitor. Here is the news capacitor. So this one, the lines one is negative and the other is positive. In this way. For a good soldering, we need to hit both the surfaces. The component leg and the track on the PCB, the solder pad. Now, as the capacitor a little bit bigger in size compared to this, it has come a little bit upside. There's no problem because it will sit inside this box. First, now we'll try to make up with this. Okay. Fix it in this way gently. If the PCB is not fitting properly, we need to remove these two. Here I have removed one, this one and this one. Then we should remove the soldering lead which has clogged here on this point. As here you see, this one. Just remove the soldering lead so that the PCB will fix properly. This one is okay. This one. Now we'll fix them back. Don't remove it immediately, it will be hot. Okay, now they are good. I need to solder them. As this is a 16 amp plug and 16 amp smart plug, and we can see while this was ordering, the track on the PCB was a bit damaged. So what I need to do is I need to put some legs which we removed just now from the capacitor. I'll take this and solder it here. Okay, now it's good for 16 amperes of current transfer. We'll fix this one, the ground socket. As you can see now, it's good. Earlier the light was flickering. Okay, now you can see it's working fine. Earlier the light was flickering and the relay was tick-tocking. So here, see, it's off, on. As the smart plug is working fine now we need to fix it back. The front cover we need to fix. For that, what we can do is we can apply adhesive here. So I will use this one. I'll apply the adhesive in the groove. If you wish, you can replace all the other capacitors as well, but I would not replace it now because I want to see the life of this. Now I need to fix the display. Just remove excess solder, etc. Go on pressing. To remove these masks. If you want, you can put silicone sealant here, but as I want to test it further, and maybe I will have to disassemble it again for some other work, so I will not seal it. Just we'll check it once again. So as you can see, it's on. It is working now. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the no output problem of your smart plug. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.